Hello, I'm Brenton Van Leeuwen, here again with you today to discuss the testing of Task 2 from my technical white paper. Now, if you've gotten a chance to take a look at the document itself, you know that it presents the results of a usability test of two Pip-Boys from the Fallout video game series. The first being the Pip-Boy 3000 from Fallout 3, and the second being the Pip-Boy 3000 Mark IV from Fallout 4. These devices play an integral role in the series and act as an essential database for the player character. This test was used to determine which device would be more user-friendly. One of two tasks, unique from the other tasks tested, Task 2, involved expanding the realm of the game a bit. I thought it might be more interesting if I tested the device in a real-life type of situation for a couple of tasks. Task 2 involved examining the location and function of the external controls on both of the Pip-Boy models. I first began with the Pip-Boy 3000 from Fallout 3. From the image, you can see that the Pip-Boy 3000 is actually a very slim and beautiful device. That being said, both devices are made to be worn on the left forearm, and, as you can see, most of the controls are on the wrong side of the Pip-Boy. To navigate to the various menus, your right hand would constantly be obstructing the screen. It's actually speculated that this is the very reason the developers chose not to animate the player character's right hand when using the device. Unfortunately, this problem did not go over well in testing and was reflected in the 3000 model score. Now, moving on to the Pip-Boy 3000 Mark IV from Fallout 4. As you'll immediately notice from this image, the developers clearly solved this problem with the Pip-Boy 3000 Mark IV. Almost all the controls are on the correct side. Though it certainly doesn't look as pretty, it gets the job done. The device's menus can easily be navigated while viewing the screen at the same time. This also allowed the developers to animate the right hand, which was never seen in Fallout 3. Other than that big difference, both devices performed very well when it came to the actual function of the controls. They were both very fun and easy to use. After all, who doesn't like turning old-fashioned dials and pushing buttons? But because a test needs a result, the Pip-Boy 3000 Mark IV proved to be much more user-friendly in both this task and the entire test itself.